See you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty you deserve it. When I'm
What is up, you guys? It's your girl IB. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am back with a watercolor method. It's been a minute, but I am back today with Smhair, and I got my water ready and hot. I know you guys had a lot of questions in my previous videos. No, I do not put anything on the lace to protect the lace because the lace never gets colored. And no, I do not boil my water. I get my water from my sink. So, of course, your girl got 613 hair. This is SMH hair. I said SMH. SM hair. 12 inches. It's a 13 by 4, I believe. I can't read it. It's weird. But anyways. So the color I'm going to be using today is Adore, of course, and I'm going to be using Wild Cherry and Crimson. I've done a red before, but I feel like my red was brighter because I did Ruby Red, or was it Truly Red? It was one of those colors. But I want to go for a darker red this time. I don't want nothing too bright. So, slash. Y'all, it's like 11 o'clock right now. I'm tired. That's why my hair looks like this. It was in a ponytail, but I took it down for the video. So yeah, this is the wig. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, an adjustable band, and you get your 613 hair. I like how I have a space. I think I could do a middle part this time, but this will most likely be this smells like the pool. This will most likely be a what you call it? Cool. A middle part. So Wild Cherry is darker, but Crimson is also like red. Wild Cherry looks more like this, but a little, no, I'm lying, it doesn't. But I'm gonna mix both. I'm gonna go in first with, I feel like I'm gonna go in with Wild Cherry. I don't want that too bright. I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, I feel like look at Crimson compared to Wild Cherry. I feel like I'm gonna go with Wild Cherry more. And put a little bit of Crimson. So, I'm going to go ahead and put my Wild Cherry. You guys know I got to get my famous mixer that I will use. I put the Crown of the King like right there. So I'm going to pull my Wild Cherry in there. I did a lot this time. Oh, that's dark. But I know it's not going to be dark on your hair. But it's dark. This is something I was looking for. And I'm going to put in a little bit of Crimson. Not too much, just a little bit. Mix that up. Go ahead and dip my wig in. Ooh, it's hot. This looks so bright. This has got me so upset. I want it to be dark. I'm just going to move it around so the color could take on every strand. You guys know I usually just dip the hair in, take it back out, dip it in and take it back out again. But I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes and like move it around so the wig can take, y'all, this joint pink. I want it to be darker. I don't know how I'm going to get the wig because this thing is hot. Hot. Okay, I need the front of the wig. I'm going to show you guys how the lace don't get messed up, because a lot of you guys be asking if the lace get messed up, and I promise you, like, it doesn't. I've done it so many times and it does not get messed up. But this is how it looks right now. It's getting dark. I like it. It's getting dark. I'm not mad anymore. That's the red I was looking for. That is the red I was looking for. The roots look pink though. But this is definitely the red I was looking for. I'm gonna go back in with some more wild cherry because I feel like I've always done like bright reds. I want to do, this is burgundy, but I want to do like a wild cherry. No, wild cherry, nah. You guys say that? Those are fireworks. It's July 4th. Okay. Oh, yeah. I think I did a red color method already. I did. But, like I said, that red was brighter, so. Okay. This looks bomb. This looks so bomb. It's hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put more wild cherry. I'm not using crimson anymore, just wild cherry. This is how it looks right now, y'all. It looks kind of pink, right? On my bugging. The roots are definitely pink. I low-key want to leave it like this, but I know I'm going to regret it when it dries. Like, the roots are pink, but like the edge is red. That kind of looks nice, though. And look at the lace. The lace does not get touched. It does not get touched, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right in there, and I'm going to leave it in there this time for a couple minutes until I see that all the water like took up everything. Let me make sure this front gets colored. That thing was pink.
You need to get AC, but that thing is, you know, the
So I'm gonna let that sit for a couple minutes and I'll be back. Actually, I'm back. The hair been sitting for a minute because I started playing my game or whatever. So hopefully, why is this water so hot? Oh yeah. This is definitely the color I wanted. But then I feel like it looks like my last red. Maybe I'm bugging. I feel like this looks like my last red, but I love this. No, this is a bob. Imagine this on me. Oh my god. Like I said, the lace did not get colored. The hair is on fire. The hair is steaming. But dripping OD. But like I said, this is Smhair. All the details will be down below. This was a 13x4 12-inch bob, platinum, blonde, but I made it red, of course, you guys saw that. All I'm about to do is wash this out with my Pantene shampoo, let it sit in silicone mix, if I have any, and that's it. On the road to 37K, man, let's get it, let's go, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the edge, gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.